You won't believe how amazing this recipe turns out. Come with us. We'll start by adding 200 grams of sugar to the pan. Wait for it to caramelize, stirring throughout the process to avoid lumps. Once the sugar has melted, we'll add 100 milliliters of water. Perfect, that's how it should look. Grease a pan with butter and flour and pour in the caramel. We're making a layer or coating with the sugar like this. Now let's move to the blender where we'll add 3 eggs, 200 grams of sugar, 300 milliliters of milk, 50 grams of grated coconut, and 4 tablespoons of butter. After adding everything, blend it. With this texture, transfer it to the bowl and add 400 grams of flour. Stir well until the dough gains consistency. At this point, add a tablespoon of baking powder and give it a quick stir. Now pour it carefully into the pan so as not to mix the layers. Then, bake it for 40 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. After that time, unmold and enjoy the result. Look how beautiful it is, a recipe that impresses in both flavor and presentation. Now it's your turn, make it at home and then let us know how it turned out. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more tips like this. See you in the next video. Until then.